Hi, so in this video I'd like to continue on with our sound playing in parallel. The issue is we keep adding more aliases and more opening and playing more things in our system, and we're taking up memory, and we want to kind of close every time we open something. We really want to close it. Not only do we want to stop it, we want to close it really. Like for example here, we play the music and then we stop it, and we don't ever close it. So really I should have a function here that closes this. I should add some kind of close, because when we're done, you know, release kind of that music out of memory. So we can just do that for the background music, right? But for our play, how do we know when the sound's finished? So there's ways to do it. You could kind of a bit more complicated, where you register the status of it, and then you know. But I probably want to avoid doing all of that too much. Well, I'm not sure too much, but maybe we can do it a different way. And what I'm going to do is I want to spawn these in a different task. So what I'll do is I'll add these into a sub. I want to go dim play as sub, dim play equals sub, and chuck all of this in there, and we're going to run this as tasks. So we're going to go dim tasks as tasks as a task equals new task, new action, and the action will be our play sub. And task doesn't work because I need to add in import system threading tasks, which is here. Add this thing in, and we'll need to write. Do we need to write address off? I thought I just need to put this. I thought I just needed to. All right. Try address off play. No. I don't remember how to bind this to that. So what I'll do is I'll call this, I'll put this into another function called private sub play. No. Let's just shove it into here directly. So I'll just shove it straight into here. Get rid of that. So this is kind of complicated. Close bracket here. Close bracket here. Alright, good. Alright, so what we do is we're encapsulating this whole code here into a task, so that I can kind of track this task. And I should have a task list of some sort. Task list of some sort. This list of tasks, where I can kind of track the tasks that are playing the pieces of music or sound, right? And I need to add this task into tasks. So this is a task, not a task, a task. This is my list. I'm going to add this recent task in. First I'll go task.start. We can start the task so you can actually play the music. And we've got task.add. This of task. Oh, this is supposed to be S. This is task with an S, so there's multiple tasks in there. So we generate our task, which plays the music. We start it, we generate, we start it, and then we add it so that we remember. There you go. Cool. All right. So let's try that. I want to track the amount of tasks I have. So in my game update, I might just go me.title equals to actually this task of mine should be for now public, because I actually want to have a look at how many tasks we got. I just want to check audio.tasks count. Just want to count how many tasks we've got every time we play music. It's not title, it's a name, it's text. Wrong place. Alright, so every time I play music, this thing should add. So right now it's got zero playing. So if I click, you've got one music playing. Click again, another one playing. 3, 4, 5, 6. So you notice it's taken up space. But it's just not. But right now it's not playing the music. Why not? I start the task. I add the sound, the name, and then I add the task, save the task. Play sound. Play sound. Play sound. Let's save that. It's not working. Just gonna pause. So everything's okay with the code. I just realized after a few bit of testing that it doesn't. This task playing here doesn't work with MP3s. So actually, you can't do it with an MP3. You gotta. I tested it with the wave. The wave works. I changed this to the wave file, and putting it into a parallel task to track it, it works. So that's kind of the limitations there. You don't have to do this. It's just it will. If you want to play MP3s, you probably want to get rid of, not do it within this task here, or at least I haven't figured out how. But at least wave will work. And as I click it, it creates a lot of sounds that we need to. When it's finished, we need to kind of delete it. So let's have a look at our time.